Want to free up space on your Mac? Here are some tips for making the most of your storage in macOS. We'll show you how to use the built-in storage management recommendations and how to free up space manually. Before you start, it's a good idea to make a time machine backup in case you'd like to retrieve something you've deleted. If you delete something during this process, you won't be able to get it back unless you have a backup. First, let's find out how to free up space using the built-in storage management recommendations. Click the Apple menu in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. You may need to click General first, depending on your version of macOS. Then click Storage. It may take a moment or two to load. Recommendations are storage management suggestions based on how much storage you have and which types of files are using the most space. These recommendations may be different depending on your current settings. When you turn on Store in iCloud, your Mac uploads your desktop, documents, photos, and messages to iCloud, and only recently opened files and files you've chosen to keep downloaded will stay on your Mac. You may also find recommendations for optimized storage. When you turn it on, media files using a large amount of space that you don't need anymore will be removed automatically, such as purchased TV programs and films you've already watched. You can download these again at any time. When you turn on Empty Bin automatically, files you've moved to the bin will be permanently deleted after 30 days. You can also free up space manually. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Your files, folders, photos and apps are listed alphabetically, and the storage amount is displayed next to each category. We're going to review our app list. Click the Info button next to a category and select what you'd like to delete. For example, we're going to delete this extra copy of GarageBand. Click Delete when you're ready, and click Delete again to confirm. You can also manually delete other things, such as your documents, photos, and more. Depending on what you're deleting, you may need to type in your login password. When finished, click OK. If you still need ideas on how to create more space, you can also move large files to an external storage device, or delete files manually from the Finder. Click Done when you're finished. And those are just a few ways to get started with freeing up space on your Mac. Time to get organizing. Want to find out more about your Mac? Subscribe to this channel or click another video to keep watching. Some sequences in this video were shortened.